Hey, kids! It's SpongeBob SquarePants! Did you say everything with my face on it?
If anyone's face should be on everything, it should be mine.
The only thing that should be on everybody's face is
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, southern Clark County in south-central Indiana, southwestern Floyd County in south-central Indiana, Spencer County in central Kentucky, southwestern Shelby County in central Kentucky, northeastern Nelson County in central Kentucky, east central Meade County in central Kentucky, west central Anderson County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, Bullitt County in central Kentucky, north central Hardin County in central Kentucky, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms, producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Shively is expected to get hit the most from these thunderstorms. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Louisville, Jeffersonville, New Albany, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shively, Shepherdsville, Linden, Middletown, Douglas Hills, Hurstbourne, Windy Hills, Pioneer Village, Hurstbourne Acres, Audubon Park, St. Regis Park, Beechwood Village, West Bucco, Watterson Park, and Woodlawn Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Oh my goodness! Help! I'm becoming melt! You know, usually I make puddles, but now I am a puddle. SpongeBob SquarePants Rubber Band.
Office supplies? Wow, that's a